Babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here. We are back from the weekend, and it's a start to a busy work week. Right now, I'm about to head out to drop Sarah to school and get Tyler ready for school because Papa is dropping Tyler to school. But first, I need to accessorize my my jewelry, and while doing so, I'm just coming on to tell you guys. I'm just taking this opportunity to tell you guys right now about my stash. You guys know that Ana Luisa, I go with them 24/7 all day, every day, no matter the occasion. Ana Luisa have sustainable jewelry on their website that fits every single occasion. Classy, whether you want to dress down, whether you're going to a dinner, you're going to a wedding. And guess what? Mother's Day is coming up, so it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to go ahead and click the link in the description box to get 20% off everything over on Ana Luisa's website for your mom, to gift a friend, you name it, especially for Mother's Day. Ana Luisa also have sets. They have earring and necklace that matches. They also have rings, they have bracelets, and they just have sustainable, they have jewelry to fit whatever occasion you need. So today I am feeling, what am I feeling today? I have so many Ana Luisa pieces, but these specific pieces that I've received recently is my newfound favorite, and I've been rocking them a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the pieces that are my favorites that I've been rocking recently. Since it's Mother's Day, I chose to go with the mama necklace, which is super cute. And since I'm feeling my mama self today, I'm feeling a little empowered, you know, and I'm feeling myself today, I think this is the perfect one to wear today. So here am I going to go with my mama necklace. I'm super in love with the length of these necklaces. They just drops right where you need them to fall. So this one that I'm wearing today is the mama, and like I said, Mother's Day is coming up, so it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to go ahead and copy your necklace. The other two that I'm super in love with is no other than the Love. Look how cute that is. I want you guys to really get a nice look at it. It's so cute. This one says Love, which I've been rocking a lot lately, and this one, you guys know I'm a lover girl, especially during this Mother's Day coming up. This would be a perfect gift for your mama. So this is a little heart shape with some little diamond stones in it. And to accessorize my mama necklace, I am going to go with this earring, also from Ana Luisa. It's a cute little cross that I am in love with. It is elegant. I want you guys to get a real close-up good look at this earring. It's so little and neat, hence why I'm struggling for you guys to have a good focus of it. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go. So that's the cross that I'll be rocking this morning. Look at my makeup in my nail. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my cross in my ears, and this will be the chill for today. And you guys can go ahead, like I said, and click the link down below and get 20% off any Ana Luisa set that you wish, or earrings or necklace. You have so many options to choose from now. And not to mention that Ana Luisa jewelry are handmade perfectly just for you, and they are sustainable, so you know they're thinking about the world, they're thinking about the earth. So that's amazing. Now you guys go ahead and click the link down below, and I'm going to rush out to head to my day. I'm going to let you guys say hello to the kids right now because they're also getting ready to head out. So have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. But first, let's go find the kids, shall we? Who we're gonna find first? Who we're gonna find first? Who we're gonna find first? Who we're gonna find? Baby number one, say hello.
Wagwan.
Ready for school? No, not yet. Look at his face. He's still having breakfast. Look at this cutie.
Wow.
Say good morning, Fez. And who's that? Who's that?
Hi guys.
He's not ready for work either, so everybody's late this morning except Sarah and I. Alright, say bye-bye to the Fez.
Bye-bye, fish.
See you guys later.
So there.
Alright, Tyler, eat up so you can get ready for school, okay? That's okay, baby. It soon feel better. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Be kind to one another. Be kind to somebody. Stay beautiful. Especially with these pieces in my ears. I feel so cute this morning. Anyway, you guys, go ahead and have a good day. I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Tram. And we're off to school. Everybody's dropped off at school. Sarah's at school, Tyler is at school, and now I'm heading to my own personal school. Hey. Anyway, guys, the day is on. It's a little bit chilly here in Nice today, this morning. What's the weather like in your side of the world? Oh, send me some sunshine, girl. Send me some, not even some sunshine. I have sunshine. Just send me some warmth. I just need the warm weather. Jesus, I'm just over this cold already. Y'all see what's happening? Y'all see what's going on? What is my son doing to himself? Lord have mercy. What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
I'm doing caca.
He's doing poop on the potty seat. I bought a potty seat for Sarah for the toilet. He says he's doing potty. You guys, it's been a long day.
I need to lie. Remember,
You want both?
spring here.
It's been a long day, but what you want, both?
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
Sarah keeps singing Alouette.
Because she learned it at school. Boat finish. You want star?
No.
You want fish?
No.
Boat finish. There's no more boat.
Want star?
You want star?
Yeah.
Very good. I baked cookies for them last week and she enjoyed doing that. Anyway, you guys, like I said, it's been a long day. So much has happened throughout the day, but honestly I didn't get to film it all because I know this moment would be coming up. Now we went to the supermarket because you guys know that we weren't here for the weekend if you watch previous vlogs. So today we had to do the supermarket. Now look who is home. The king of the castle. But anyway, the kids need to go and eat dinner, so we're going to jump right into supermarket haul real quick right now and get it over with. So let's go, fam bam. Babe have no idea what I want.
Little idea, but
Potty seed for Sarah. Let's go. Everybody grab a bag. Yogurt.
I have the best bag.
I want
the best bag.
You can't do Tyler bag. How dare you? How dare him? That's a violation to Tyler's privacy. So Papa, don't do that again.
That's right. So I'm going to jump on the
Brownie.
I'm going to jump on the juice bag. That's my bag.
Tyler's favorite vegetable. I think it's Babe's favorite vegetable.
Yesterday I was
spinach.
Yesterday after all of this long day and the driving, I just wanted to sit home, relax, and I wanted the Coca-Cola. And when I opened the fridge and I saw no Coca-Cola, I was so disappointed.
Even me felt for Coca-Cola last night. Can you imagine? I'm like, how did the Coca-Cola we have finish?
Coca-Cola is like a beer. I mean, it's just.
You should never be out of it. You should be there for when you want
you
it to
refresh.
just.
When you're tired, it's like a
It's true.
new power.
It's true. Mozzarella cheese. Let me tell you a secret why I buy mozzarella cheese.
Why?
Over the weekend I went to a supermarket and I was just thinking about picking up some things to make a salad. And I came across it. I'm never a fan. But it actually tastes really good with my salad. So you say, you know what, is something I think I can incorporate in my salads. Probably 1 or 2 times for the week. So I pick up 2 mini pack. And they love mozzarella.
Big
So I know
chicken.
that's a win. I only buy 1 chicken this week because I have chicken in the freezer. And I buy potatoes. I never understand why they package up the potato fries so small.
Les
But okay.
biscuits
But that's Sarah's favorite.
Babe
one.
might be mad at me for this one, but I could never find the big one. It was never there, and I picked this up. I don't know if it's the right one because babe normally do fries. So
Shrimp.
you have nothing to say?
I have nothing to say.
Is the right one?
It's the small one.
The big one wasn't there, and it was only 3 small ones leaving this one.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
That
no.
one says traditional, and the other one says steak. And when I touch the steak, it's fat.
That's fine.
Look at the sun. You see what the sun did?
That's Sarah's favorite one.
I wanted
We
to
have
give it to
quinoa.
you.
You want quinoa,
If
Sarah?
you know she see, she gonna want
But you
it.
But you was starting
You want
that
quinoa?
wanted to give it to you.
You want to eat quinoa or you want to eat chocolate?
Chocolate, please.
What we have here?
Biscuits is our favorite.
We have
Lotion was on
Lotion?
sale, so I picked
yeah.
up 2.
I could say when I see 2, I could tell you. Cheers, Sarah.
So thank you.
Merci, Papa. What we have here? Oh, mushroom.
Say bread.
I'm discovering your thing, mushroom. She's, you know,
I've been
something.
cooking with mushroom
She's
a lot
right.
lately
She's
because you
learning.
like it.
She's trying new things and she like it. So slowly she.
You like it too?
Of course I do.
Tell them what it is. Tell her pick up a new snack. That's what she's
or
showing.
Nutella.
Oh, that's a Nutella biscuit.
Hide it from Papa. Oh.
We have ham. We have sausage. That's the easy way for the kids.
I don't know if I pick up the right one, but I try.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Okay, give me my props, man.
Not too bad.
Steak a shit.
Over 10, I will give you 7.
It's like,
It's good.
you give me, is that the hamburger meat? Yes, Dad. No, you're not hiding this one.
Yeah.
Monster Munch. He's hiding it from Sarah, but Sarah already opened the package from she in the supermarket. Lover boy, let's go.
We have
Pas pour la salade.
Bread for salad, that's what Tyler said.
We have
Proteins like that.
chocolate
Chocolate milk
milk.
for Princess. Tyler can't
And
do
just-
chocolate milk.
Qui a écrabouillé les pretzels?
What? What did he say?
Écrabouillé means smash.
Smash.
Oh, shucks, lemon.
Tyler's handiwork.
Okay.
Au début, j'avais pris 0, mais j'avais vu que c'était 0, donc j'ai changé.
Okay, you could
He
have
said
said
he picked up
green.
0 and then he changed it to the original.
Bread for her.
Oh, you know it's
Toast.
bread for me. Can you tell my bread different from everybody else's bread? Sarah, you're not in the supermarket. How? What
Rice
is
cake! Nothing.
it? It's peas.
Yeah, what?
What's this? Say wrap.
Wrap.
Wrap. I love to make a good wrap.
Oh.
Bio biscuit.
Oh, babe, discover. Let me tell you something. I pick up 2 little pieces of salmon, and 1 piece of the salmon was €9, and I had it in the cart the entire trip throughout the supermarket, and it sit on my conscience. Me just couldn't buy it, so I went back and searched in the frozen section and found these salmon and 4 good sized pieces of salmon for €5. So I said, "Ooh, I'm gonna try the frozen salmon for the first time and put back the fresh salmon." So Goody take this one. Baby, put in the egg right there so for it to fall and break.
Egg can break. Egg can break. It's solid like a rock.
Rice cake.
Rice cake, more rice cake.
Pampers for Tyler.
Pampers for Papa.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We have 2 more bags left. We Pasta.
What's this thing? Apple. Plum.
I deliberately pick up this pasta because my mother-in-law cooked it for the kids over the weekend and they like it. So,
Apple
yes.
biscuit.
What's this?
An apple puree compound.
Yes, pasta. More
You know, if I
pasta.
want chocolate, I don't have to eat chocolate, I just have to kiss Sarah.
Because the chocolate on our mouth. Let me pin you alone, man.
What is wrong with you? Yeah.
No, don't eat this. Mama
Yeah.
pick them up from in the car.
Apple.
Go in the bin.
Apple.
They already see this.
The bag
beef,
too?
yes, time, minced beef.
The bag too?
Yeah.
Brown bread.
No more biscuit. You're gonna get pasta. I'm gonna warm it right now. Continue, let me warm our pasta.
What do we have here? We have some yogurt for Sarah. Never,
We have some garlic.
never out of yogurt with Sarah. Ooh, we have spinach. You want chocolate? You want monster milk? Pasta. You want pasta? Yes. And we have some yogurt for us. We use that as a breakfast. Like
Honey,
breakfast.
find the sausage, give me.
Sausage. Done.
No.
It's just a little things remaining here.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
And it's time. Come, rock, paper, scissors. Who's not getting no dinner?
Oh yeah.
Come,
I
let's
don't play
go.
that.
Come. Who, rock, paper, scissors. Let's
No,
go.
if I win, I can win your hair. I can do that.
No.
Like a horse.
No, I already tell you what's gonna happen. Who lose
No,
don't get
don't play for
dinner.
that.
Who lose
What
don't
about
get.
you?
It's food you playing for, so you always win. Babe, me slap you with the wooden plate, you know. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One babe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 2, Tyler. Come on, Ty. One more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2, babe, 2, Tyler. Oh gosh, anybody win this? Come on, Ty. Focus. Come with your best game. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
But I'm still dinner.
Papa win, of course.
Papa won.
Papa win.
Easy.
They tell me say once a food, babe, I go win enough.
Let me tell you something. That was so easy. I just wanted the suspense to the last.
Move back way. Tyler should have bust you behind.
I just let the suspense.
Me trying to whip up dinner real quick for baby and I. Kids already ate. But when you don't plan, then you fail. And since I didn't get to cook before I go, so I have shrimp, mushroom, corn, real quick, and to that I'm gonna add egg. Then babe eating a mixture of all kind of things tonight. And to that I'm going to add some Monty. Plenty for the win. I'm gonna add some pepper to this, and dinner is ready. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Can't do that.
That was funny. Anyway, you guys, I'm trying to find my lucky charm. You guys, make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down below. That way you can purchase something from Ana Luisa, whether these sets that I'm wearing or something of your choice, especially for Mother's Day that's coming up. And don't worry about shipment because they ship worldwide and shipment is fast. You'll get your delivery in a few days after your order. So we are coming on to end today's vlog right now. You guys see that I'm tired, but guess what? I have to tough it out because I have work to do. So
And I have things to do too.
Yeah, so we got things to do around here. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog before my eyes stay like this and I can't talk to you guys after an hour or two. So what is the first thing I said? No, you guys saw a brief bit this morning.
I didn't do the supermarket haul.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that too.
You're tired. Your brain is like a fish. Alright, anyway guys, she needs some rest, so we can end the vlog now. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to send us love and all of these things. And we see them tomorrow.
We definitely see you tomorrow, but before you click off, make sure that you guys can click the link in the description box and purchase a goodie from Luisa. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.